item. وَأَقِمِ الصَّلَاةِ, and establish prayer. إِنَّ الصَّلَاةَ تَنْهَى عَنِ الْفَحْشَاءِ وَالْمُنْكَرِ. You hear this in khutbah all the time. It is no doubt prayer. It is the one that prevents from shamelessness and all forms of evil. Prayer is supposed to make a society free of shamelessness and other forms of evil. So, for example, in the case of Lut, right, the nation, they were called, you do fahsha, and then ta'tun al-munkar. Fi nadikum al-munkar. You in your public spaces, you do munkar. Allah says the benefit of prayer is that you'll be able to fight shamelessness. So if you still have temptation problems, you still have evil thoughts, you can't get away from your mobile device for questionable browsing, but you pray too, then maybe you don't really pray. Maybe you pray, but you haven't established prayer. أقم الصلاة. Allah didn't say, أُتْلُ مَا أُوحِيَ إِلَيْكَ مِنَ الْكِتَابِ وَصَلِّ. He didn't say, read what has been revealed to you from the book and pray. He said, and أقم الصلاة. But iqamah also means to make a building stand, to build something, to establish something. It's like this building of prayer is weak in you. You haven't built it yet. You have to put the right foundations in it. You have to build the bricks around it. You have to make it a strong structure. And once you do, this building will be so strong, it'll protect you from what? From fahsha and munkar. And if you're making salat and you can't get away from fahsha, that means your building hasn't been established yet. You're praying, well, it's under construction. Salat under construction. It's not really salat yet. It's not iqamatu salat anyway. وَلَذِكْرُ اللَّهِ أَكْبَرُ. And the remembrance of Allah is even greater. Meaning, the remembrance of Allah outside of salat is even greater. And Allah is saying the real benefit, the first benefit is it prevents you from evil. But the bigger benefit is that you get to remember Allah. وَاللَّهُ يَعْلَمُ مَا تَصْنَعُونَ. And Allah knows what is it that you're manufacturing.